Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. So to fix this, it's extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Roblox application. You could be doing this from your web browser, mobile devices, or in my case, Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Now in here, you then want to click on your profile icon, or you then want to navigate through your system settings or your account settings. So in my case, I'm going to be navigating through my settings right here. Navigate through privacy and content restrictions, and basically the reason why this problem is happening is because there are set restrictions on our account. Now to go ahead and remove this, you want to navigate through the content maturity, and here's where we can fix the problem. So let's go ahead and say that your account is set to minimal, but the game that you want to play is on mild. So you can play games on mild, moderate, and restricted. If your account is set to minimal, the privacy settings will appear due to this specific content and privacy restriction. Now, let's go ahead and say that you're playing a game on restricted, but your account is set to moderate. You won't be able to go ahead and play the game because of this specific setting. So if you want to go ahead and basically avoid this problem at all times, you then want to set your account at restricted, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.